Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY that can help you with hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 1 cup of spinach. Spinach is rich in vitamins K, A, C, B2, B6, B1, E, magnesium, zinc, and iron. These nutrients help nourish your scalp and hair, ensuring healthy hair growth. The high content of antioxidants in spinach helps prevent hair damage and boost scalp health. Vitamin B and C are excellent for ensuring healthy hair growth. They speed up the rate of hair growth by increasing collagen and keratin levels. The second ingredient is going to be 1 whole carrot. When it comes to carrots, it is rich with vitamin A. Carrots will make your hair stronger, longer, and thicker. Carrots help in improving blood circulation, which will give your hair the look of healthy 20s and prevent the growth of gray hair. They contain a lot of antioxidants along with vitamin C, which also helps to boost your immune system. The third ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 1 cup of kale. When it comes to kale, kale contains a variety of healthy nutrients and antioxidants that aid in cellular turnover to improve scalp health. Kale is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, in addition to beta carotene, potassium, magnesium, calcium, omega-3s, and folate. As a result, when kale is applied topically to the scalp, it facilitates scalp health, keeps the scalp hydrated, and eliminates toxins, which present as dry patches and irritation. These vitamins stimulate growth in the scalp, which boosts oxygen to hair follicles and effectively promote elasticity and hair growth as a whole. Kale can also help protect against hair loss by reducing stress, damage done by free radicals in the environment. The fourth ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 1 medium to large avocado. Avocado helps to improve scalp conditions and provide healthy environment for hair to grow. It also contains B vitamins, iron, potassium, all of which support hair growth. Potassium helps to regulate fluid balance inside and outside cells in the blood and is required to prevent hair loss. Avocados can unclog the hair follicles and stimulate hair growth. When massaging it into your scalp, you're promoting blood flow and unclogging any blocked follicles while allowing the natural oils to get absorbed quickly. The next ingredient is going to be a 1/4 cup of beetroot powder. Beetroot is extremely effective for hair growth. The nutrients present in beetroot are protein, vitamin A, and calcium, which helps to ensure healthy hair growth of the hair. Besides this, beetroot helps to tighten the pores of the scalp and reduce hair fall. The next ingredient that you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of ginger. Ginger increases the scalp circulation that results in the flow of blood to the scalp. It also stimulates the hair follicles and encourages growth. The fatty acids in ginger are beneficial for thinning hair. So now you just want to place all the ingredients into a blender. After you've done that, then you just want to add 2 cups of your favorite carrier oil into the blender as well. I'll be using 2 cups of olive oil. So now you want to take the mixture and place it into a warm pot. I have the stove set on medium heat. We're going to allow this to simmer until the liquid from the ingredients have evaporated and we are left with just oil. In order to determine that the oil is ready, you will see that the oil, it will begin to separate from the ingredients, as well as you'll see the oil become darker in color, and also you will see that there will be no more steam coming from the pot. So you want to allow the oil to cool down before you strain it. So I'll be making a hair butter using this oil. So depending on how fluffy you want the butter to be, depends on how much oil you use. So I'll be using half a cup of this oil, and then I'll be using 1 cup of shea butter. So in this bowl, I have 1 cup of melted shea butter, and I'm going to be adding the oil, half a cup of the oil into this shea butter. Then I'm going to place it into the refrigerator. So after about 45 minutes to an hour, you want to go ahead and then whip the butter to a consistency that you would prefer. When it comes to the shelf life of this butter, it will last 4 to 6 weeks. Just make sure that you keep it in a cool, dry area of your home. Also, when it comes to the application of this hair butter, you want to just apply it on your scalp as well as your hair like you would any regular hair butter. You can use this hair butter daily, or you can use it at least 2 to 3 times a week. Also, you can use the leftover oil as a hot oil treatment before you go into your wash day routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.